Hi, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to see how we can host our website on with the GoDaddy hosting. So we have registered our domain here. So we have the domain which we have registered just now. So you will see your domain which you have registered with the GoDaddy here, and you can see this link, use my domain. Click on that to see the options you can do with the domain. So you can build a new website, connect to existing website, or set up a professional email. So we'll click on the build a new website. It will take you to the several options. Here you can use a website builder that we don't want, managed WordPress that we don't want, online store we don't want, we want the hosting so that we can host our domain and we can create our own WordPress website. So you select here the duration for which you want to host your website. The hosting plan for minimum 12 months you select, or if you want you can go for a trial for 1 month or so. So you can select whatever you want, 12 months or 1 month, and then click on buy. So hosting we are getting, okay. So we'll get the cPanel for all our need. So click on buy. It will take you to the payment page, and there you can provide your details, credit card information, etc., and then you can go with the payment. Proceed to checkout. No need to select anything else. Click on proceed to checkout, and then here you will see the final price, and you just click on agree to following and place your order, providing your credit card information here. And once done, you will be getting the hosting information with the cPanel username password onto your registered email ID. So go back to the GoDaddy, check your email for the username password for your cPanel, and then you come back here, go to manage your hosting. You will see this link, manage your hosting, and when you click on that you will see it will show all your hosting accounts. So you will see here your website name, and it will show you the cPanel manage and settings. You click on manage, it will take you to the cPanel. There you will see all other options that you can use for your hosting. So see here you can see the file manager, directory, FTP account. So all these things are not required if you are going with the WordPress. So when you want to create your website using WordPress, only this thing is important, web application. So in the next lecture we will be seeing how we can install the WordPress on our domain with this hosting, and we will start learning the WordPress from very basic, and then we create a free website using the WordPress. So see you in the next lecture.